Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? All right, you guys, I got a little break. So, of course, when I get a break, I have to come back on and do a video for you guys. You know, I've really been meeting some really cool people on YouTube. But today, before it gets really hot and the summer comes in, I am craving chili. Hate the canned chili. Won't do it. So I'm going to do a brisket chili today. Oh yeah. We're going to do it with brisket. Now, it makes a nice little pot. So probably what will happen, I will eat brisket chili dogs tomorrow. Brisket frito chili pie the next day. But anyway, we're going to do a brisket chili. Oh yeah. So happy to be back. And I'm so thankful for all of my new subscribers. And I'm so thankful for all of my old, how they say it, ride or die subscribers, you guys. You guys really rock. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this train on the track. And let's get to rolling. Let's get to rolling. And I'll be right back with the ingredients. All right, here we go. Here are the ingredients for the brisket chili. In this little ramekin here, I have a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of oregano that I grind up finely, and a teaspoon of paprika. Didn't feel like messing up a bunch of dishes, so here, if you can see, it's 3 large garlic cloves that I just chopped up. And I want you guys to see this brisket. So I'm doing, look at that. I'm doing 1 3/4 pounds. So the chili is going to be very meaty. But check that out, you guys. Yum, yum. Next, we'll have a 1/2 cup of chili powder. No, no, no. It will not be too much. I promise you. Here I have a 1/2 of a large onion that I just diced up. Now I'm going to take a tablespoon of this onion and keep it so I can eat it with my chili. We have 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. We have 1 14.5 ounce of Romeo tomatoes diced with no salt. We're trying to control the salt content for the brisket chili. And we're going to use this garlic olive oil. I think you guys have seen this before, that I'm going to saute. All right, come on in. There you go. I'm going to saute the onions and the garlic in. And we're only going to add a teaspoon of this olive oil. We don't want our chili really greasy, so just a teaspoon of this. All right, let's get to sauteing the onions and the garlic, which this chili put together won't take long, but we're going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes. All right, let's go. Check that brisket, you guys. Check that brisket. All right, you guys. I let this go for about 3 minutes. You don't want it to go any longer because remember you have the fresh garlic in there. And how we did when we did the Nigerian stew, we're also going to bloom these spices. So here is the oregano, cumin, and paprika. We're going to put that in there. And here is the chili powder. This is going to be one thick, gorgeous, tasty chili. Let's do that again. I'm going to say probably, let's go with 3 minutes. This one don't have as much oil as the other one did. So it's really kind of like it's going to toast it. See that? So this is a little drier, but still it's going to bloom the flavors. And you'll see that at the bottom. I'm going to let this go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll come back and we're going to add the diced tomatoes and the tomato sauce. 1 can of water from the tomato sauce can. And then we will add the brisket. Don't look like much now, but hang tight. It's going to be delicious, I promise. All right, be right back. All right. I have added the diced tomatoes, the 1 can of tomato sauce, and you guys, it's 2 cans of water of the tomato sauce. So dump the tomato sauce out and then add water to it twice and put it in here. You see the color on that? And also I added a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, you know, to cut the acidity from the tomatoes. All right, now we're going to load this brisket in. I want you guys to see this. And I added a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Look at this. When I say it's gonna be meaty. This was a brisket that was dead and chopped. That's the reason if you do a brisket and you don't eat it all, vacuum seal it. Look at that. All right, let me add the other package. Remember, it's 1.5 pounds. So it's going to be a really, really hearty chili. Look at that. I mean, if you want a meaty chili, this is going to be it. Look, you guys. And I will probably add maybe a 1/2 cup of beef broth to this. Yeah, so let's do a 1/2 cup of beef broth. I'm going to let this simmer for about 30 to 35 minutes. But check that out. It will have the consistency of chili once I add the 1/2 cup of beef broth. All right, 30 to 45 minutes. I'll plate this baby up and we'll give it a taste. All right, it's starting. Gonna make a quick correction here. We're not gonna add beef broth. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, since this is brisket chili, and 1/4 cup of additional water. So look at this. Yum, yum, yum. So that is 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce and an additional 1/4 cup of water. But again, I will have everything in the description box below, and it will be measured correctly. Check that out. Oh yeah. All right, finna let it simmer. Okay, about 20 more minutes and it will be done. Now, if you would like to add beans to this, add it during the last 15 minutes of your cooking time. Because if you add it while the chili is simmering, it will make your beans very mushy. But if you would like beans, add it to the last 15 minutes. Look at that. Then we're going to top it with some cheese and onions. All right, about 15 more minutes and we will plate it up. Oh yeah. And some sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can always add crackers to this. And also I wanted to inform you guys, I did not add any red pepper or cayenne because the brisket was already spicy. But if you would like, you can add cayenne pepper. You can add my favorite, Mr. Tabasco. Put this on a hot dog. Put it on Fritos. But tonight I'm just eating it plain because it is kind of late. Alright. And since I'm playing with chili, we need to get a look again, you guys. With the cheese melting, you see it's still hot. It's foaming up the camera. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment below. Please share and subscribe. You guys, I really miss you guys. And I promise you, once everything gets settled, I'm going to rock out some summer videos. And I'm really thinking outside the box for the summer. So until we meet again, God bless you, stay connected, and check out the playlist. All right, see you guys again soon.